So again, this is a short video. All I want you guys to do are the problems we're looking at here, exercises 17 to 32. You don't have to use the distributive property to solve these problems, but I mean, if you want to, you can. And just a really quick review, distributive property, let's say if I had 3 and then in parentheses 2x plus 5, everybody, I would hope by now, can do that. Mr. McGee, how do you solve that problem using the distributive property? So 3 times 2x is?
6x.
Okay, and then what?
That's a 5, right?
That's a 5 right here, yep.
Okay, so that would be 15.
And 3 times 5 is 15. Okay. And is there anything else we can do with that? No, that's it, because we don't have like terms. Now, a quick review of what would be like terms, and I'm going to write down another long problem here, and I'll pull a stick for that. Put up 20 points, Mr. McGee. Mr. McGee. Okay. Mr. Orweller, do you see any like terms in this?
Yeah, 2x, 10x.
2x and 10x, what would that be?
10 times 2 is 20.
Well, what are these symbols right here?
Plus.
Right, you just said times. So tell me, what is 10x plus 2x?
12.
12 what?
12x.
12x. Good. Put up 20 points. Mr. Laboutier, do you see any other like terms?
The 10 and the 3 because they don't have a variable attached to it.
Yeah, the 10 and the 3 because they don't have any variables. And who remembers what that's called? Miss Ryan. Constant. Nicely done. 20 points, 20 points. Okay. So, Mr. Laboutier, 10 plus 3 is?
13.
Plus 13. Mr. Salcedo, do you see any other like terms? Okay, don't help him out. He can do this. What is it?
5c and 2c.
5c and 2c. Okay, so what is 5c plus 2c?
6c.
Close, plus 7c. Okay, so put up 20 points. All right. Is there anything else we can do with these? No, because we don't have any other like terms, Mr. Laboutier. All right. Questions on this, you guys? All right. So let me erase that. Go back to what I want you guys to do here. So again, you don't have to use a distributive property to do these. You can just solve them if you want. Just remember, if you have a fraction being multiplied by a mixed number, like 5 and 10 elevenths, you need to change that into an improper fraction. 5 times 11 is what?
55.
Plus 10 is?
65.
So it would be 65 over 11. Okay, and then you would multiply that by 1/5. And then you can do some cross-canceling. All right? So that's a quick review on how to solve something like that. Let's see here. Use the distributive property to simplify the expression. Yeah, well, we just did some of these. These are all pretty easy. I'm looking at them. They're easier than the ones I give you. So you guys can do those. And then 26, it says a family of 4 goes to a salon for haircuts. The cost of each haircut is $13. Use your distributive property and mental math to find the product of 4 times 13 for the total cost. So remember, you want to break it down into tens or hundreds or ones. So to do that, it would be 4 times, and how could we break up 13? 4 times 10 plus 4 times what? 3. Because that's 13 right there. That's what they're talking about. Of course, then you can just solve it. So solve 26. And then 27 through 29, it says simplify the expression. Well, remember that long one that I gave you guys? That's kind of what you're doing. You can do all those. Simplify each one. Of course, in this one right here, you have to use the distributive property to solve that, but then you might be combining some like terms. And then finally, it says factor the expression using the greatest common factor. So 30, 31, and 32. So I want you to do all those problems, and we will grade those tomorrow. Questions on any of these? Nope? Okay. All right, I'm going to stop this short video.